I want to thank the organizing committee for this opportunity to speak. Passionate about these topics, and really feel that no better than urology to see this evolution of change as we discuss possibly bringing an extinction event to the TRUS probe. I love the topic, Ryan. Great job. All right, so let's get at it. Disclosures. Federal employee, U.S. government, surgeon scientist at the NIH in Bethesda. Partnership with industry. We took from concept to commercialization the Urinav biopsy platform. Financially, I cannot retire from this because the proceeds go to the government, although some IP exists and royalty licensing goes through the NIH to me for that. Also on the AUA Guidelines Committee, we just released them this year for prostate cancer screening, and so those are my disclosures. Well, is the TRUS probe facing extinction? Should we end the blind biopsy? I mean, I am pretty confident that this has to stop. To think that putting needles into a prostate, trying to hit the pinata with a blindfold on, is foolish, and we've done it for decades since the advent of the TRUS probe. And don't kid yourself, transrectal ultrasound imaging of the prostate is really blind. All it ensures is that we hit the prostate in 12 different areas. Sometimes we oversaturate the middle of the gland anyway. And so, yes, the MRI takes off the prostate. It's established. Level 1 evidence, Mark Emberton leads the field in this. No doubt that B mode grayscale TRUS fails in comparison to MRI in detecting and determining where tumors are within the prostate.